Hi guys, so today we are making a warm, comforting and incredibly healthy dish, creamy broccoli soup. This soup is the perfect way to get your daily dose of greens, and it is so delicious you won't even realize how good it is for you. We'll be blending tender broccoli florets with a creamy broth and a touch of seasoning to create a velvety smooth soup that's perfect for any occasion. Whether you're looking for a light lunch, a healthy dinner, or just a warm, comforting bowl of goodness, this recipe is simple and satisfying. I'll guide you through every step from preparing the broccoli to blending the soup to perfection. So grab your fresh broccoli, get ready to fill your kitchen with the aroma of healthy goodness, and let's cook up this delicious soup together. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more healthy and comforting recipes. So now let's begin. So first, in a hot pan, add oil, add 1 bay leaf, 1 onion chopped, and fry it until the onion is nice and soft. Then add 300 grams broccoli florets washed and cleaned and fry it for a minute. Then add 3 cups water, add some salt to taste and give it a nice mix. Then cover it and cook it until the broccoli is nice and soft. Then give it a nice mix. And allow it to cool down completely. Then take a blender jar and add the cooked broccoli and also add the water, and then blend it to a smooth puree. Then in a hot pan, add oil, add 3 garlic cloves chopped and fry it for a minute. Then add the broccoli puree, add 1 cup water and give it a nice mix. Then add some salt to taste, add half teaspoon red chili flakes, 1/4 teaspoon crushed black pepper, half cup coconut milk and give it a nice mix. And cook it until the soup is nice and thick. As you can see that the soup is nice and thick now. Make sure it is something like this. The consistency of the soup is perfect. And there you have it guys, a creamy, comforting and healthy broccoli soup. Be sure to let me know in the comments below how your soup turned out. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more delicious and healthy recipes. I hope you'll try this recipe at home and enjoy it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.